This is the first major US LNG supply deal since President Donald Trump took office on Monday. And according to the parties, reflects industry confidence in the new administration's pro-energy policy. Bangladesh Investment Development Authority Executive Chairman Chaudhry Ashik Mahmood bin Harun, representing the Bangladesh government, and an Ascent LNG officials signed the non-binding agreement during a ceremony on 25 January 2025.